When creating tasks in issue tracking, users can specify what priority the task should be labelled as. If I take a quick look at the executive task type, you can see here that the priorities range from lowest to highest. In this case, the default setting is normal. You can change the default setting for tasks, and you can also choose your own naming convention for priorities. Those changes are made in Setup. Navigate to Issue Tracking Setup and then Priorities. The priorities are listed here on the left, and they can be dragged up and down using this icon. On the right, there are options to hide, rename, and set default. You might like to hide some of the priorities. If, for example, your school only wants to use 3 priorities, such as low, normal, and high, you could hide 2 of these priorities. Using this button, you can also rename them. Remember from a moment ago that the default priority was set to normal. That's indicated here in that the Set Default button is not present. Let's say you choose to make every task the lowest priority as default. Click this button and notice the blank space appear. If I go back to Issue Tracking and then create a new task, you can see that the default priority has been set to lowest. To set this back to normal, simply return to Issue Tracking Setup, then Priorities, and make the appropriate selection.